Want to keep a record of your conversations? Exporting your WhatsApp chat is simple, whether it's for an important information or for archiving. Here's how to do it. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Navigate to the chat you want to export. Now, tap on the contact's name or the group name at the top to open the chat info page. Scroll down and tap on Export Chat. You will be given the option to attach media such as photo, videos, or voice messages, or export without media. Choose what works best for you. Once selected, WhatsApp will generate a file and you will be able to send it via email or save it to your preferred cloud storage. Exported chats are usually saved in the .txt format and media files will be bundled separately. What's the most important chat you have exported? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.